Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where today we have a 2026 Barletta Cabrio 22QC for sale. This is a triple Toon package, meaning it has a tri-Toon chassis. It has the vibration isolation pad technology, which helps you get across the lake no matter the conditions without any rumbling, rattling, or vibrating on the boat, giving you a nice quiet ride. It's powered by the Mercury 200 V6 4-stroke outboard motor. That's plenty of get up and go to do all kinds of water sports. And there's a ski tow bar already mounted on the back of the boat, so you can hook up to your tube, water skis, wakeboard, and hit the water. This is packaged with a couple different Lily Pad features. Lily Pad is a marine brand that tries to bring comfort and convenience to all boaters, and Barletta teamed up with them to pre-install a Lily Pad Revo ladder on all of their Cabrio lineup. When in the water, this deploys down even further and gives you more of a staircase configuration than a ladder. That makes it easier on your joints, on your younger kids who don't have the arm strength to pull themselves up on the ladder, on your older guests who want a little bit more ease and accessibility into the boat, and of course for your pets who have a hard time getting their little paws on small ladder rungs. This is an awesome upgrade that they just automatically give you on the Cabrio lineup. On the other side of this spacious deck, first of all, there's so much room for activities on the back of this boat. You can hang out and lounge in the sun. You can use it as your launch pad like a diving board, or you can actually install your own diving board using Barletta's Ghost Mount system. This is a partnership with Lily Pad that they pre-install into their boats. You just remove these plugs here and it gives you the accessibility to put a barbecue, a large flagpole, a diving board, or other awesome accessories on the back of your boat to help you make the most of your pontoon. The exterior of this boat is called Black Diamond. This is very shiny, very reflective, and really sparkly in the sun. It is so beautiful out on the water. And inside, this is the Marquesian gray vinyl interior with the charcoal accents. They've upgraded the stitching this year, giving you a really cool, sporty look on board. It's definitely more of a modern pontoon feel. It's not your grandma and grandpa's pontoon. And even the captain and the co-captain's chair got a little facelift. They have a higher backrest and this angled design helping you get around it better and contouring to your back, protecting your lower back when you're underway. The seating also comes with these built-in bolsters that lift your legs up and protect your lower back. So when you're facing inside of the boat and you have multiple people sitting next to each other, you don't feel unsupported even when the waves are rocking the boat. In the bow, we have flip-up armrests that add to the comfort on board, giving you a front lounger experience with these sofas. The port side bow backrest flips up and you have access to a wastebasket. And inside all of these couches are two built-in cup holders that have a drain. So if your cold drink is sweating in the sun, it'll automatically drain itself out. You don't have to worry about cleaning up a mess later when you're all done boating for the day. This has the impressive JBL audio system here, giving you a crisp, clean sound on board. And we also have USB receptacles on the starboard side, both in the bow and the aft. So you can keep your phone plugged in all day long. This has the USB-C, so you can plug in your newer phones, and it also has the older USB style. This is a really pet-friendly boat. We have these slide-out integrated pet dishes. They are upgraded for this year, giving you a little bit more volume for what you can bring on board for your pets, giving you a longer experience out on the water without having to run back inside to get more food and water for your dogs. Barletta also threw in this fun little leash, keeping your pet safe on board. The bow and port side gates are already integrated with Doggy Dock View system. This helps them see outside of the boat so they feel like they're part of the action and prevents them from getting motion sick or jumping up over top of the gate and scratching up your rails. The port side has a pop-up table. This is called the stowaway table. You can use it for snacks and for a table situation, but you can also use it as a pet shade. And with this port side view through the Doggy Dock View door mixed with the integrated pet dishes, this is an awesome launch pad for your pets to have a blast on board too. There's tons of storage in this boat with hinged cushions, giving you access to the roto-molded seat bins. This drains itself out. There's channels in here that actually make the water go away from your storage so that you don't have to worry about dumping water out of your storage bins. It'll automatically do that just the way it's designed. There's also a spacious in-floor storage locker, and there's a hidden lockable glove box right underneath the helm seat, keeping your valuables protected when you're out enjoying the sun. If you're ready to get some shade, this is automatically packaged with a power bimini. With the push of a button, this collapses all the way down to go under bridges, or it opens all the way up to give your crew some shade. And there is a boot too to protect that canvas from the elements. There's RGB lighting on this boat to give you an elevated experience even after dark and after sunset when you're hauling across the lake and just enjoying the tunes and soaking in the stars. You can use the dial at the helm to change the color to party mode or whatever color you're feeling that evening. We've got the upgraded Simrad touchscreen display here at the helm showing you all of your engine diagnostics and navigation, giving you a really easy driving experience. You don't have to outfit a fish finder or anything like that on this pontoon. It's already integrated into the Simrad here. Of course, the captain has a wireless charging receptacle for their phone, so you just set that right on the pad and you're charged up all day long. So you can take pictures, figure out your radar for the weather, and stay safe with that easy access right at the helm. This boat has 50 gallons of fuel capacity. That means you don't have to stop back at the dock every couple of hours to refuel the boat. You can stay out all day long and just fuel up at the end of the day. That helps you make the most of your lake day and take advantage of our short Minnesota summers. And the digital throttle shifting system by Mercury helps new boaters and boaters who are a little bit unexperienced with driving a pontoon get the pontoon back on plane. Whether you have a lot of boat traffic during a holiday or it's a windy day out on the big water and you need some more handling on those big waves, you just press the active trim button and it'll automatically change the trim of the motor to get your boat back on plane so you're not plowing into those waves, but you're actually cutting right through them and floating on top of them. This boat is rated for up to 12 people and there certainly is plenty of seating on board. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity to own one of these new 2026 Barletta Tri-Toons before spring 2026. We cannot wait to help you and your family enjoy the boating season and find your dream boat here at MarineMax Nisswa in Cross Lake.